Imagine a future where humanity is no longer limited to Earth. A future where the moon is not just a light in the sky, but a new world. For years, we dreamed, we planned, we imagined. But now, that imagination is turning into reality. Scientists, engineers, and visionaries are working together. Projects are growing, technologies are evolving, and one destination stands above all: the moon. From early missions to advanced exploration, from simple landers to intelligent robotic systems, every step has brought us closer. Massive rockets rise into the sky, powerful boosters ignite, breaking the silence of Earth, carrying machines, dreams, and the future of humanity. Organizations like NASA and SpaceX are pushing the limits, designing spacecraft, building habitats, and preparing humans for something never done before: living on the moon. But this journey is not simple. Low gravity, extreme temperatures, and deadly radiation. These are not just obstacles, they are tests. Tests of human intelligence, courage, and survival. To overcome them, new technologies are being created. Robotic assistants that work before humans arrive. 3D printing systems that build structures from lunar soil. Solar panels and nuclear generators powering entire colonies. Step by step, mission by mission, the impossible is becoming possible. Yet, the biggest challenge is not the moon. It is us. The human body struggles in low gravity. Bones lose density, muscles weaken. Oxygen must be created, water must be recycled. So scientists design advanced suits. Centrifuge systems simulate gravity. Every detail is calculated, every risk minimized. Because failure is not an option. History shows us one truth: civilizations that do not expand eventually fall. And Earth, one day, may face its own limits. An extinction event may not come today or tomorrow, but someday it will. And when that day comes, only one thing will matter: did we prepare? There are two paths for humanity. One, to stay on Earth forever and slowly face the unknown future. The other, to rise, to explore, to expand beyond our home, to become a spacefaring civilization. And the moon is the first step of that journey, a gateway to Mars, a training ground for deep space missions, a place where humanity learns to survive beyond Earth. Imagine cities on the moon, lights glowing in the darkness, humans walking, working, living, children growing up, looking at Earth from the sky, a blue planet, far away. This is not science fiction anymore. This is science becoming reality. Robots will build, humans will follow. Colonies will expand, missions will multiply, and slowly, a new chapter of history will begin. A chapter where humanity is no longer fragile, no longer limited, but truly free. Free to explore the universe, free to survive beyond a single planet. And one day, when you look up at the night sky, you will not just see the moon. You will see humanity, living there, thriving there, building the future. And that future is not far away. It has already begun.